talk about how awesome Cody Burns is. My students were very engaged. Normally they're sitting there looking at their phone when the speaker's on the stage, but they were super focused on him. He is awesome, dynamic. You want to invite him to your next conference.
No matter what life brings you, no matter what red light you find yourself at, may you never lose sight of what matters the most.
When Cody Burns was rear-ended by a truck, his SUV exploded. First responders at the scene immediately called the accident a fatality until someone spotted movement through the flames.
Stopped at this red light. And I'm inside that thing burning alive. Come to find out, the firefighters, when they showed up on the scene, just by the looks of it, they said I was dead. They had already called the coroner. All hope seemed lost in that moment until they saw my hand move. You could see my hand on the steering wheel. That little bit of movement changed everything for me. And tonight, I want to encourage all of you to make a little bit of movement. And if you are presented with a challenge or an obstacle, which I am here to tell you, at some point in your life, you will encounter challenges. They're inevitable. But don't let the challenge stop you. Find the solution and press forward. Make a little bit of movement. And you know what's incredible is that there is people that love and care about us. And in those moments where we find ourselves stuck, if we would just reach out, they would come to our rescue and they would help us. That's one of the things I love about this amazing group. You're here to learn, to get connected. Every single person in this room, make connections, because you never know who you're sitting next to. World changers. And if we work together, some incredible things can happen.